Top 5 AI websites you didn't know exist. Did you know there are AI websites most people have never heard of, and they can save you hours every day? Today, I'll show you 5 AI websites that are free, easy to use, and could seriously boost your productivity. You won't find these in every article. Stay till the end for the most powerful one. Tool 1. Runway AI. This helps your video and image editing. Runway AI can remove backgrounds, edit videos, and even generate images from text prompts. Perfect for content creators or students. On-screen text. Runway AI equals creative freedom. Tool 2. Copy.ai. This makes your writing and marketing. Copy.ai writes blog posts, emails, and marketing copy in seconds. Beginners can create professional content without hiring anyone. On-screen text. Copy.ai equals writing made easy. Tool 3. Gamma.app. This is for presentations and documents. Gamma.app turns your notes into beautiful presentations automatically. Students and professionals can save hours of work. On-screen text. Gamma.app equals presentation wizard. Tool 4. Sounddraw.io. This tool is AI music generator. Sounddraw.io lets you generate royalty-free music for videos, games, or social media. Fully customizable. No music skills required. On-screen text. Sounddraw.io equals music made easy. Tool 5. Perplexity.ai. This AI makes research and Q&A easy. Perplexity.ai answers questions, summarizes research, and provides sources quickly. Ideal for learners and researchers. On-screen text. Perplexity.ai equals smart research. These 5 AI websites are free, powerful, and beginner-friendly. Start using them today to save time and stay ahead. Subscribe to AI Made Simple for more AI tools you'll actually use.